Hello students and welcome to this new video. This is The Squirrel, a poem after the first chapter. So this is the first poem of your textbook. You may have seen a squirrel sitting on the ground eating a nut. What did it look like? Here is a poet's description of just a squirrel. So we will see a squirrel today and the poet's description of just a squirrel. He wore a question mark for tail. Now, when we see a squirrel, it has a question mark on its tail. The tail is always in the shape of a question mark. So, he wore means pehenna. So, it doesn't actually wear the question mark, but it has a question mark. Okay, we see that a animal has a tail. We don't tell that it has worn a tail. So, the poet is telling here that he wore a question mark for tail. So, in the tail, he has worn a question mark. An overcoat of grey. Overcoat means the cover, the skin. An overcoat of grey. The skin of the squirrel is of grey color. He sat up straight to eat a nut. Now the squirrel eats nuts. So he sat up straight. Straight means he was straight like this. To eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. Tease means हैरान करना. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. What is the poet telling here? That if they went around the tree where the squirrel was, he went the other way. So the squirrel was playing with the poet. This poem is written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong, and this is a very simple poem. Let me go through it once again. He wore a question mark for tail. So he has a question mark on his tail. So the shape of the tail is of a question mark. An overcoat of grey. The cover of the squirrel is of grey color. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He eats a nut, and he is just sitting up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. The squirrels, they are very fast and they like to tease. How they like to tease? And if he ran around his tree, he went the other way. So the poet and his friends were trying to play with the squirrel, and when they were around the tree, he went the other way. So on one side of the tree, if the squirrel was, on the other side the poet was, and when the poet was trying to come on the same side of the squirrel would go the other side. So this is the poem written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. M.B. Armstrong is also okay. We'll discuss the question answers of the poem. Why does the poet say the squirrel wore a question mark for his tail? Now, you have to write the answer. Here, you have to draw a squirrel in your fair book, and or find a picture or paste it in your fair book of a squirrel sitting on the ground. How would you describe its tail? So let us see the answer. The poet said the squirrel wore a question mark for tail. You have to write from the question only. The poet said, S-A-I-D, said, the squirrel wore a question mark for tail because the shape of the tail of squirrel sitting on the ground looks same as a question mark. Looks same as a question mark. Full stop. Now you have to write, how would you describe its tail? To write down, I would describe it as fur, F-U-R, fur of clothes. Fur of clothes. Let's see the second question. Do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? तो हम कभी wears नहीं बोलते ना, हम बोलते हैं उसके पास उसने पहना हुआ है. टेल थोड़ी होता है. टेल जो होता है वो होता ही है, पहना नहीं होता है. तो विल राइट द आंसर नो, कॉमा, we do not usually say, no, comma, we do not usually say that an animal wears a tail. That an animal wears a tail. Full stop. we usually say, we usually, USUALLY, usually say that animal has a tail. HAS, has a tail. Let us see the third question. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom? How? So write down the answer. The squirrel is teasing the poet and his friends. The squirrel is teasing the poet and his friends. Full stop. When poet and his friends ran around the tree, ran around the tree on which the squirrel is sitting, comma, it went the other way, it went the other way, teasing and playing, teasing and playing with them, So here your poem and the question answers are completed. In the next lecture we will see the next chapter number 2, and we'll talk about it further.